Welcome to the Immortal Recaps. This episode we are going to talking about Army of the Dead movie. A military convoy hauling a consignment from Area 51 collides with an automobile on the highway, resulting in the release of a zombie. It kills several troops and infects two more. The zombies infect the majority of Las Vegas's populace. The city is quarantined after a botched military intervention. Former mercenary Scott Ward is approached by casino owner Bly Tanaka and his accomplice Martin about a contract to rescue $200 million from his casino vault before the military destroys the city with a tactical nuclear attack. Ward accepts and enlists the help of his old comrades Maria Cruz and Vanderohe, as well as helicopter pilot Marianne Peters, German safecracker Ludwig Dieter, and Chicano sniper Mikey Guzman, who is accompanied by his accomplice Chambers. Martin joins the squad as an observer. Ward's estranged daughter Kate Ward, who works at a quarantine camp, refers them to Lily, a smuggler who knows her way about the city. Bert Cummings, a camp security guard, is recruited by Lily. When Kate Ward discovers Lily led her buddy Gita into Vegas, she refuses to leave the team, despite Ward's concerns. Lily wounds Cummings during a stressful confrontation with a zombie tiger named Valentine upon arriving in Vegas, and reveals that a more sophisticated gang of zombies known as Alphas are prepared to offer safe passage in return for a sacrifice. Cummings is taken away by an alpha female known as the Queen to the Olympus Casino, where the alpha leader Zeus infects him. Lily takes the squad to a facility full of typical zombies hibernating. Kate Ward uses light sticks to carve a passage through the undead. When Chambers accuses Martin of having ulterior goals, he leads her off the trail, waking the zombies. Guzman shoots her gas tank, blowing her and the zombies up as she is bitten, infected, groomed, and mauled to death. Ward and Kate switch on the electricity to Bly's casino, while Peters prepares a helicopter on the roof and Dieter works on the vault. Martin and Lily remain outside, ostensibly maintaining watch, but really draw the Queen out into the open. Martin decapitates her and removes her head. Zeus finds her body and brings her back to the Olympus Casino, revealing that the Queen was carrying a zombie fetus. Zeus, enraged, leads the Alphas to Bly's casino. According to a news report, the government has accelerated the nuclear strike, giving the team around 1 hour. Ward realizes Kate has fled to hunt for Gita as Dieter accesses the vault. The elevator opens, and Alphas kill Cruz just as Ward and Cruz are ready to seek for her. Martin imprisons the crew in the basement, stating that Bly is solely interested in the zombie head, which has the potential to build a zombie army for the government. When he goes outside, he finds Lily has stolen the Queen's head, and Valentine mauls him to death. Vanderohe tries to battle Zeus but is swiftly defeated. Dieter appears to sacrifice himself in order to keep Vanderohe secure in the vault. Ward, Lily, and Guzman get it to the lobby, where they are attacked by zombies, who swarm Guzman. Guzman sets off his explosives, killing the zombies and ruining the cash he was carrying. On the roof, Zeus confronts them. As Ward and Peters flee, Lily distracts him with the Queen's skull. Zeus impales Lily, but she kills herself by destroying the Queen's head. Ward requests that Peters accompany him to the Olympus Casino to fetch Kate. Kate discovers Gita and murders Cummings there. Ward subdues Zeus with a grenade launcher when he corners them. When Gita, Kate, and Ward reach the roof, they discover it is empty. Peters emerges just before Zeus reaches the top, leading them to believe she has abandoned them. All three, as well as Zeus, board the helicopter. Ward is overpowered by Zeus, who bites him. Ward shoots and kills Zeus after Kate attacks him. The nuclear destroys the city, and the resulting shockwave crashes the chopper, killing Peters and Gita. Kate survives and meets Ward, who offers her money to begin a new life before becoming a zombie. Kate murders him and sobs as a rescue chopper approaches. Van der Rohe walks out of the vault with the remaining funds. He drives to Utah and gets a private jet to go to Mexico City. He becomes ill throughout the journey and realizes that he has been bitten. Thank you for staying with us. Remember to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode.